Hello everybody, it's Boxify back here with another video, and today we are covering birds that just been added to Minecraft Pocket Edition. And today I am joined by Green Ninja, Max Green Ninja. He already got two birds. You can put the birds on your shoulders too. And the maximum that you can is 2. So let's get started on this video. So first we got Boxify Jr., Parrot. Subscribe to Max Green Ninja and Boxify. This is gonna be a new mob home series, so like you should know how to build this by now. And birds like to perk on stuff, so you can go with this jungle idea because that's where they'll be going at most of the time. These birds in the jungle. So you can go with this perking system with the trees, or just the standard all perch system. You know how that works, just random perks everywhere. So the tame one, you will only need seeds and obviously a bird, parrot. So you get the parrot, it says tame. You tame it, and in a little while he'll jump onto your back. Let's see if he will do it. Okay, he's not sitting. Why is he not? There we go. He just hops on there by himself. And this is what inside of this building looks like. It looks like their natural habitat. See, birds like to perk up somewhere. And when you jump, your bird flies off of you. But you always know which one's yours when you go up to them and it says sit. If there's a lot of birds like yours. Is that not mine? Are you mine? No? Are you mine? No? When you hit them, they will fly away. But here's how to build this. I'm just gonna give y'all like a tip. So what y'all need, you can make it any shape you want. You're gonna need a glass pane and iron bars. That's all you need. So you just go up as far as you want to go up. Take the glass panes, and then boom. And then you gotta do this for a very long time. You can make it any shape. On every turn I add iron bars because it's cool. You can also decorate it with, what's it called? I keep forgetting the name of that one. A stone slab. And I added air conditioning because birds like a certain type of temperature in the jungle. So air conditioning's up there. We got Bird Home 101. I was planning to make this bird thing for a very long time because I knew they were coming out. You can even add wheat growing. I added some watermelon growing, another watermelon, 2 more wheat. Then I added a lot of perk, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perk systems. The ones that don't have perks don't count, so that's why I said 5 or 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 perk systems. And there's this one bird that's just up there, just looking down at us. So different kind of bird colors you can get. A green bird, a gray and yellow bird, which those are not my favorite. You can get a blue, yellow, green bird, It's a kind of like a light blue. You also can get just the dark blue bird. The only three full colors that you can get is a gray bird, a blue bird, and a green bird. Right here. And obviously, my favorite is the different color bird. The real parrot. The one that really looks like a parrot. I went with the jungle theme because they're mostly in the jungle. Sit down. Sit. So that's all for this video. We'll do more mob videos. Like this one was the newest mob, so I had to do it. So it's gonna be a mob series where we make a whole bunch of row of mobs, houses, and stuff that fits them. Like this one was the first one. It's a bird home. You can make your own design or whatever you will like. Got two birds sitting up there. Didn't even see them. You can even curve the building however you want. Make it as big as you want. Have as many tame birds as you want. You can even make a zoo. You have dogs, cows, pigs, all of those things. And this is just the first mob series. So I hope you like the new series that's going to be coming. And I hope you will subscribe, like, and comment on all videos. Should I do more mob series or just stop at the second one that I'm going to do? And subscribe to Max Green Ninja. And look at my videos up for Cube House, Jungle Tips and Tricks, and the smallest house in Minecraft. Alright, peace, and subscribe and like the video.